I'm Anil Kumar. We are discussing how to solve questions from a test paper. Here is question number 5, part D, right? So that's the question for you. We'll see its solution now. So the question for us is, write the parametric equation of the line parallel to z-axis and with the same x-intercepts as r equals to 3, 2, 1 plus t, 4, 2, 1. That's the question for you. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Okay, so we need to find x-intercepts of a given line. Let's write down the equation of that line first. R equals to 3, 2, 1 plus t, 4, 2, 1, right? So we need to find x-intercepts for this line. So first thing is we need to find x-intercepts, right? The other part is that equation of the line parallel to z-axis. So z-axis, what is z-axis? Well, the direction of z-axis is you move along the z, right? So 0, 0, 1. So that is the direction of the z-axis. So once we have a point which is the x-intercept, it will be kind of simpler to write down the equation, right? Since we know the direction of our line, right? Parallel to z-axis. So to find the point, what we can do is we can write this in parametric form. So we can say x is equals to 3 plus 4t, y is equals to 2 plus 2t, and z is equals to 1 plus t, right? X-intercept is a point where y and z values will be 0, right? At x-intercept, both will be 0. So we could solve for t from y or z, right? So let's do for both. See, do we get the same value for t, right? We should get the same value. So we'll substitute y equals to 0. We'll substitute first, let's substitute y equals to 0. Okay, let me do it here. Let's substitute y equals to 0 and find what t is. So y equals to 0, 2 plus 2t. So that gives us minus 2 equals to 2t, or t is equals to minus 1. Let us also try to substitute z equals to 0 and check what t is. Well, it is not very much required, but still is good to check, right? It is 1 plus t, and we get minus 1 as equals to t. So definitely t equals to minus 1. So we get the value of t, so we know what x-intercept is. So if I substitute t equals to minus 1, I get the x-intercept. So x-intercept is equals to 3 plus 4 times minus 1, which is 3 minus 4, which is minus 1. So that is the x-intercept. So from here we can write down the x-intercept as x value minus 1, y and z is 0, correct? So that becomes the x-intercept. And now parametric equation of line parallel to z-axis with the given x-intercept. So it should be like this, right? So x is equals to minus 1, right? Direction is 0, 0, so it is nothing. It's just minus 1 here, right? We are parallel to this. Y equals to y value is 0, right? And that's the x-intercept, and t gets multiplied by 0, so you get 0 here. And z is equals to, again, z is 0, so that's the 0, and 1t, right? So plus t, right? So that becomes the parametric equation for a line which is parallel to z-axis, right? So it moves along the z-axis, as you can see, with an x-intercept of minus 1, right? So I hope that is absolutely clear. Thank you and all the best.